You are watching 2+U Nevada. I am here with one of my favorite guys, Sean Colvin from DreamMaker Bath Kitchen. We are back at the bunker, Sean. A few months ago, we came here for a before segment,
we did.
And now we are here for the after. You spearheaded the remodel process of this bunker. Tell me why it was so important to you.
You know, it's all about the veterans for us. The vets gave so much. It's the least that we could do for those people. And this was built in '47, as you know. It had never been touched. It was way overdue. So we're just blessed and thankful that we could, DreamMaker Bath Kitchen, along with our associates, Bedrosians and KCD Cabinets and ZLINE Appliances, Sherwin-Williams, it could go on, all donated product. We put it together, manage it. We're done. We gave it back to them on Memorial Day this last Monday, and it was very exciting for the vets, and we're very proud of it.
A lot to be proud of. Let's take a look. We are inside the kitchen now with Todd and Jack, and you guys, this is absolutely beautiful. First and foremost, let's take a look at video from the before of the kitchen, and we were talking an aged location. Very old cabinetry, they were metal and the walls were not the same. So let's talk about what you guys did to completely change this usable space for the VFW.
There was old tile on the walls, but we took it all off and re-sheetrocked it, and then we put this FRP on here, which is just a vinyl beadboard.
Kind of like
washable.
a PVC.
Yeah, PVC, it's washable, really easy to clean.
Makes it great for industrial use. As people are in here, they're going to be cooking, they're going to be washing. So these walls are, what I love, able to be clean. So you're keeping this space clean. And we should mention the beautiful floors, all new epoxy flooring.
That's correct.
And then take me to your brand new cabinetry and your new ZLINE. We've got a ZLINE microwave back here. This is absolutely gorgeous. Did they have a microwave before?
Yes, they did. It was a countertop one.
Okay, countertop. So now this is nice, beautiful, built-in. Love the stainless steel, right? And then all of the appliances are ZLINE, is that correct?
Yes, that is correct.
Let's walk over to this industrial oven. I love this. This is a two-parter. So what have we got on this side?
Just another small oven and then a full-size oven right here.
Isn't this amazing? I wish I had an oven that had pull-out. That is, I'm getting jealous here. So how much in remodeling for the kitchen, what are we talking dollar amount?
The appliances were about $78,000. The remodel was probably $80,000.
Just in the kitchen alone?
Yeah.
You guys, phenomenal work. How long did this take?
So including the men's and women's bathroom, the industrial appliances out there, all the flooring, about a year.
Okay, so TJ, we just came out of the kitchen where Bedrosians, that's who you represent, donated all of the counters.
Yeah, definitely glad to be part of the project and just grateful to be part of the community.
What kind of counters were they in the kitchen?
They're granite countertops. They're the Galaxy White and a 3cm finish that they did a beautiful job installing over there.
Absolutely gorgeous. Now, folks at home may remember when we had our first before segment, this area of the great room was filled with boxes with all of the ZLINE appliances. But now this space really and truly is a phenomenal event space. TJ, but Bedrosians also donated all of this flooring. Let's talk about the floors.
Yeah, we were able to donate about 4,000 square feet of this new commercially rated HDF flooring that we have in. Super resilient floor. It glows together right over your existing floor if you want to, or right over the sub top. It's a click together system, but it's ready to take on any household or any project or any commercial space.
And what I find so fascinating is how strong this flooring is too. For events, if you were planning on hosting an event here, it's very nice. If you were wearing heels, it won't be a problem, but also it's very durable.
Yeah, absolutely. It's got an AC5 top to it. So again, commercially rated, can go into commercial projects and is elegant enough to go into a residential home.
Why did Bedrosians want to be a part of this project?
We take every opportunity that we honestly can to just help out, be a part of the community, and give back to where we can too. We take a lot of pride. We're family owned and family ran, and we like to stay a part of our roots.
Well, TJ, you did a beautiful job. Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks for having me.
Absolutely beautiful work, Sean. When you handed this back to the VFW on Memorial Day, what was their response?
You know, I think it was emotional for some of them. It was a big moment. They've been dealing with a building that's been less than good. And so it was emotional for some of them. They're very excited, something they can be proud of. They can lease it back to people again now. I mean, it's big for them. They've never had something like that here locally in Reno, and I'm just really super proud to be a part of it.
And DreamMaker Bath Kitchen spearheaded this remodel, this gift to the VFW bunker. If people at home want to remodel their homes, well, how do they reach out to you?
You can reach us at dreammakerreno.com. You can fill out a survey there. I'll contact you personally. Our phone number is 775-993-2400. DreamMaker Bath Kitchen, enhancing lives and improving homes.
And again, the VFW bunker is available to rent for your events. So if you have an event coming up, be sure to reach out to the VFW. You're watching 2+U Nevada.